Hi children, how are you? Are you all fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine and well. Okay, so let's come on our topic. Let's begin chapter number 4, basic geometric concept. Basic geometric concept. Here we have some shapes and some objects drawn here that information will have. Okay, so here the basic geometric concept chapter is there and many points are indicated here. So first of all, I would like to introduce you about that point. A point, a small dot is called point and it is read as point x. Here I kept a point x a name. The point name is x. We can read it as point x. So there is a point. A small dot is called point. Next thing is there a line. A line is drawn here. A line has 2 points. There are 2 points on the line A and B. The line is called endless. It is moving in this direction and in that direction also. It has no end point. A line has no end point. It is continuously moving both the sides. So there are 2 points on the line A and B. We can read the line as a line AB. Another way we can say line L. Line we can read two ways, line AB or line L. Next, here you understand line L we can say or line AB. Okay. Next thing is there ray. A ray is there. It is moving in one direction and there is one end point. So a ray has one end point and one side it is moving like a arrows. So it is read as ray AB. We can write that symbol as like this ray AB. Ray AB. It is called ray AB. So a ray has one end point and one side continuous. Next thing is there, it is the angle. An angle is formed when two rays are meeting at one point. The two rays meet at one point, ray AB and ray AC meet here at this vertex A. So the formation happen of angle. Two rays meet at one place, they intersect at one place, then the formation happen that is called angle. So an angle has two arms. Arms are there. This A and B is called arm. A and C is also called arm. And this A is called vertex or means angle. So angle has two arms and vertex. So angle is formed when two rays meet at one point or intersect at one point. Next thing is there line segment. Line segment is different of line. Line and line segment both are different. You can see line segment. Line segment has two end points. Here X and Y are the end points of line segment XY. So line segment has two end points and here the line is end. We can measure also this line with a scale and we can write measurement also of this line. So it is read as line segment XY. Now next thing is there intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are there. Two lines are there. They are meeting at one point. They crossing at one point. This is called intersecting lines. So here two lines intersect. You can see two lines intersect, line L and line M. Both the lines intersect at point P. Here you can see line M and line L and line M. Both the lines intersect at point P. P is called the intersecting point of line L and M. So these both lines are called intersecting line and they intersect at point P. Next thing we will see parallel lines. Parallel lines are there that two lines are called parallel lines if they pass together but they did not and they never meet with each other. Two lines never meet with each other, so they are called parallel lines. You can see both the lines are going in one direction together with the same distance. There is the same distance between two lines and both the lines moving in that opposite directions and two lines distance is same but they did not meet with each other, means they did not intersect with each other. So these both lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines are called that L and M are called parallel lines because both these lines did not intersect at any point. They never intersect at any point and both passing same directions and with the same distance but they did not meet, like two tracks of train. The train, two tracks are there, the tracks are moving but they did not meet with each other. So both are parallel. Here two sides of board. Board is there, then two sides, one side and another side. That side and this side. These sides are there that are parallel lines because they did not meet with each other. We have one book. The book, two sides are there. One side, this side. These sides are this side and this side. These two sides are passing, but they did not meet with each other. Same distance they are going. They are passing from same distance. So it is called this side and this side is called that parallel lines. Then you understand what is called parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet with each other, passing together but never meet. They are called parallel lines. And intersecting lines, they intersect with each other. Now we have one figure that is rectangle. Sides are there. You can see rectangle is there and rectangle, it is a closed figure. The figure which is closed by all sides is called closed figures. And open figure means a figure which is open. It has no closed point. That is called open figure. So it is closed figure, rectangle, and we can see that there are four sides of a rectangle. Sides are the side AB, side BC, side CD, and side DA. These four are the sides of this rectangle. Vertices are there. Vertices means angles are there. So here four angles are there. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. That four are the vertices. Now one new word is that diagonals. Diagonals means these opposite angles joining. The line which join opposite angles is called diagonal. So here angle A and angle C are opposite angle. So line joining AC, that is called diagonal. So line AC is a diagonal and another opposite angle is angle B and angle D. So line B and D is called diagonal. In short, angle. So here it is clear. Sides are there AB, BC, CD and DA. These four sides. Vertices angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. These are vertices, and diagonals means that line joining opposite angles are called that diagonals. AC and BD, both the lines are called diagonals. Now here you will see further more adjacent sides. In rectangle we see the sides together AB and BC. These lines are together. It has one end point. Both the lines have one end point. So that if both lines have one end point, then both the lines are called adjacent sides. Because you can see line AB and line BC both have common endpoint B. So it is called adjacent sides. This way we can say BC and CD. Both the lines are adjacent sides. CD and DA, both the lines are called adjacent sides because they have common endpoint. And DA line and AB line are called adjacent sides. In short, you need to remember, if both the sides have one common endpoint, then both the sides are called adjacent sides. Here I have written just one adjacent sides, AB and BC. AB and BC. So AB and BC line both have one common endpoint B. So it is called adjacent sides. Next, adjacent angle. Adjacent angles means the angle which are on the two parts of that line segment, that is called adjacent angle. Angle A, angle B, both are called adjacent angles. Angle A and angle B both are at the end point of one line segment. Angles which form at the end of one line segment, these are called adjacent angles. So angle A and angle B both are called adjacent angle. That way I have written just one, but many here we can say angle B and angle C are called adjacent angle. Angle C and angle D are called adjacent angle. Angle D and angle A are also called adjacent angles. So here angle A, angle B are adjacent. Angle B and angle C are adjacent. Angle C and angle D are adjacent. Angle D and angle A are adjacent. In short, the angles which are at the end point of same line segment are called adjacent angles. Now we'll see opposite sides. So here in this figure you can see that AB line and BC line both are opposite, because this line and this line both are called opposite. AB and BC both lines are opposite. That way AB line and CD line both lines called opposite, because here AD, BC, AB, CD both the lines are called opposite lines. In opposite way, this is in opposite direction. AB line and CD line both are in opposite direction, so it is called opposite lines. That way, a rectangular two pairs of opposite lines AB and CD and other AD and BC, both the lines are called opposite lines. Then opposite angles. Angle A and angle C. The angles which are at the end point of diagonals are called opposite angles. So here you can see angle A and angle C are opposite angles. That way angle B and angle D are called which are at the end point of diagonals are called opposite angles. Angle A and angle C are opposite. Angle B and angle D are called opposite. So these are opposite angles. Now we'll see about circle. A circle is a round shaped object. Here you can see a circle. The middle point of a circle, middle point, that is called center of circle. Here in this circle, you can see center point is P. The center point of circle is given P. Then, if any line pass from P and it touch to the circumference of circle, so that OP is called radius. Line OP is called radius. If any line start from that center and it ends at the circumference boundary of circle, then it is called radius. So this OP line is called radius. AB, a line passing from the center of circle and it ends both the sides of circle, that is called diameter. In short, diameter is double than radius and radius is half than diameter. So we can see that radius is half of diameter and diameter is double than radius. If any line passing from the center of circle and it has two endpoints on the circle boundary, so it is called diameter. Okay, so this is the radius and diameter. If two lines are there, if one line is there, it is passing from the circle. It is passing from the circle and it has two endpoints. But the line is not passing from the center of circle. It is called chord. Chord of the circle. A line which is not passing from the center of the circle and that both the endpoints of that line lies on a circle boundary, so it is called chord. So this point X and point Y are on the circle boundary, but it is not passing like diameter from the center. So the line which is not passing from the circle center and it has two endpoints on the boundary of circle, it is called chord. The diameter is called longest chord. The diameter is called longest chord of circle. So the chord is not passing from the circle center and it has two endpoints and the diameter is passing from the center of the circle and it has two endpoints on the circle. So in short, you understand, chord has two endpoints on the circle but not passing from the center, and diameter has two endpoints on circle and it is passing from the center of the circle. Okay. Now we have concurrent lines. If three or more lines passing from the one point, if three or more lines passing from the one point, it is called concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means lines, three or more lines passing from the one endpoint is called concurrent line. Here line L, line M and line N are passing from one endpoint, one point P. So these are called concurrent lines. Triangle is there. A triangle is a three-sided polygon and it has three sides and three angles. Here, three sides are there: AB, BC and CA. these are the three lines of triangle. It has three vertices. In short, it has three angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C. And the point D is outside the triangle, so it is called exterior of the triangle. If any point lies out of the figure, so it is called exterior of that figure. So here in triangle, point D is outside the triangle, so it is called exterior of triangle. And point E is inside the triangle, so it is called interior of the triangle. In short, if any point is there outside the figure, so it is called exterior. Any point is outside the area of figure, that is called exterior. And if any point is inside the area of any figure, it is called interior. So here in a triangle ABC, point D is exterior of the triangle and point E is interior of the triangle. Collinear points. If collinear points means if three points are on the line, if three points are together on one line, so these points are called collinear points. If three points are on the same line, then they are called collinear points. Okay? So in short, that I hope you understand these all points, line, ray, angle, line segment, intersecting line, parallel lines, circle, then the sides, vertices, diagonals, adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite sides, opposite angles, concurrent lines, triangle, interior of triangle, exterior of triangle, collinear point, then radius, chord, diameter, that all things you understand. That I hope you understand well, and there is a practice in your book. In exercise, you can solve this very easily. You will get answer. Use this all information and solve that exercise as a homework. So these all things are very easy to understand for you. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.